secret. Like you victorious, I'm back on a Tuesday and fucking feels glorious. I'm on the backbeat, sipping in the backseat, listening to NSYNC, no, not Backstreet. Yes, I can get it on my mind, my own mind, while I'm waving out the window like bye, bye, bye. Yeah, that bitch, yeah, she a bad bitch. I saw her texting earlier, fuck, we got catfish. I don't know if you can see it while I take it home. I am like that Kendrick verse, cause bitch, I'm out of control. If you wanna see it while I go, I'm slinging names. I be rocking now, go like I'm Trinidad James, and we never fail. Yeah, pale in comparison, rocking Holy Grail. Yeah, you can say you got it in, I ain't even know about it. They can get it for rockin' royals, that's the Lord chillin' on a tennis court. No going past that, I'm saying, let me go casino, run that blackjack where I'm winning, yes, no when it's said and done. I be hitting aces and jacks, I'm talking at 21. If you wanna know better, need no explainers, I'ma say that double X while I'm rocking around the Macarena. Man, that is old school, you know I'm running for Katy Perry on the beat, bitches, let me hear you roar. I know, yes, do it every time, see me coming, those warning signs coming soon. When you feel that, you already done, son, say goddamn, who the fuck wrote London? Yes, I'm coming back, yeah, oh, I got those lamos. If you want, they got those lamos for house. Like I'm John Stamos, I'm the uncle, I'm that holla bad girl, fucking that world. If you want, say something, you got nothing that shine. So get to see it, feel on the night. Get to see it, feel got that light. We can't stop, and we won't stop. We're on anything on the beat. So ain't nothing from nobody. Yeah, yeah. We like to party, dancing with Miley, doing whatever we want. Yeah. This is our house, these are our rules, and we can't stop getting. Yeah, you gotta work, yeah, you take it to the top. Miley, let me see you twerk. If you wanna do it, I've been working on, yes, those 3 days. Be amazed, made a fool out of that, those be amazed. And we can't. Twerk, Miley, 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 twerk. Twerk, Miley, 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 twerk.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
A young nigga with a dollar and a dream, and these Nikes on my feet, trying to stay about the streets. So I'm rhyming, pulling 187s all on these beats. Set her on the concrete, submitting my future while they were focused on what they cheap. But shit, I'm like a cheap head honcho. Tell me that it's impossible, I give it to you pronto. Been working all these late nights and these early mornings like Alonzo. So one day they'll be calling me great, just call me Gonzo. But I'm never acting, nor is anybody pulling strings. Everything I have came from sacrificing everything. I traded working 9 to 5 for the minimum for working non-stop. So my life be like a cinema screen. But in the end, I wouldn't have it any other way. Got on my knees and for this rap to work is what I prayed. And that was happening, crunching numbers like Captain, a serial killer, compelling listeners with his fashionable words. Never acting my verbs, but truly fashion to serve. Not only matches but curves, not just the hood but the birds. Know you hear it every time I grace the mic. Then I give it to God, feeling blinded by the lights in this song.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
20-year-old dreaming of whipping Monte Carlos and gold jewelry, looking like I came from El Dorado. Pick up the pen and pad, instead of spitting gin and vag, I'm painting pictures with my words, just call me Young Picasso. These haters only gas me up and then I mash the throttle. Being strickers think it's safe to say should drop the bottle, cause what I'm spitting is proof and truth is hard to swallow. When rappers losing their heads, that's word to Sleepy Hollow. Nowadays they tryna flex, Johnny Bravo, and I be Rocky in his second fight against Apollo. Underdog, but you see I won the war. Asking me if I could spit is asking me to raise the bar. I've been in this place before, matter of fact most of my life. They told me that I would fail, die before I prove them right. Pinning verses on my lunch bag, now I'm doing shows. Lady Luck blew me a kiss, now I'm a prince, never a toad. Bitch your bottom, I'm the greatest, that's on everything I own. And though it isn't much, I want the world like Al Capone. I'm coming for the glory, it's a sermon to the masses. The kid you shitted on is telling you to wipe his ass.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.